Students, welcome to my YouTube channel again. In today's class, I will teach you Computer Chapter 3, page number 46, making text bold, italicized or underlined. Before I start teaching this, on page 46, you have the purple color box. Process it. Through attachment file, I will send a pic of the process it, and by seeing that, you can write the answers in your own book with a pencil. So now let us start applying some changes, like applying the text and make it bold, italicized or underlined. Page 46. Take a pencil in your hand and follow my explanation. Sometimes we need to make the text stand out to highlight an important point. Suppose we have a written document and we want to highlight a particular place, a particular word. So for that, we need to make it bold, make it italic or underline it. Children, please bracket from we need to make from there to second line important point. Bracket that line and please underline the word highlight in your book. In that case, the bold, italic or underline options can be used. So we can use these options, bold, italic or underline, to make the text stand out, highlight it so that it becomes perfectly visible and draw the attention of the readers. The first step, select the text to be formatted. Earlier also I have explained that to apply any change or bring the desired change in your MS Word Office document, you have to first select it. Without selection, we cannot apply anything. Second step, click on the Home tab. And the third, click on the bold, italic and underline option in the font group and selected text changes accordingly. So these are the three steps. On page 47, step number 3 is written, and just below that there is an illustration provided in your book which you can see, and this will help you to understand. Just after that, in the In Shorts box, there are the shortcut keys. Ctrl plus B to make the text bold, Ctrl plus U to underline the text, Ctrl plus I to italicize the text. These are the three shortcuts provided in Shorts box on page 47. You have to learn these three shortcuts. Earlier also I told that on page 45 there were few shortcut keys for copy, cut and paste. So all the shortcut keys are very important. So you have to learn this. And now I am going to show you practically how to apply bold, italics or underline. Please see my computer screen. Once again I show you how to open MS Word Office. Go to Start button. This is the Start button. At this bottom corner, click on that. Take this arrow up. Go to Microsoft Office Word. Click on it and it will open. See, it is now open. Now type anything, like in your book on page 46 in the box, friendship a perfect bond is written. You can type that also, or you can type anything. Like now I am typing the word computer by using the keyboard. I have typed. Let me increase the size of the font so that you all can see it. I have enlarged it so that it becomes easier for you all to see. Now suppose this is the word computer which I have typed with the help of keyboard and it is shown in MS Word Office. Now I want to apply changes like bold, italics and underline. Then how will I do? I have already said, and it is also written in your book, that to apply any change you have to first select it. So by dragging, see the cursor is at the end blinking, press and then drag. In this way the sky blue thing comes. It shows that the word or that particular word or sentence is now selected, ready to apply any changes. Then under home tab, you see it is already open. Under home tab is already open. This is the ribbon, you know, this entire thing which shows all the icons and give you the options. This is called the ribbon. Earlier you have read in the previous chapters. So under home tab in ribbon, you have these options: bold, italics. You see, follow the arrow. Where I am placing the arrow, it is the italics, and now it is underline. So these three options under font group. See, I am placing the arrow here. Let me zoom a little bit. So that you can see. So this is the font group. Under font you have this. Under home tab, under font group you have the three options: bold, italics and underline. I have already selected this word computer. Now let me make it bold. Press this. When I am clicking, when I am taking this arrow on bold, see another dialog box appear in which it is written bold and in bracket the shortcut key is also written Ctrl+B. So let me click it. See, it has become bold. Now, the word which I have already made bold, I can just remove and make it normal. Again, you have to select and click on the bold. See, it is no longer bold now. It has changed. So if you want to bold and then remove that thing, from the same button, from the same, clicking the same icon, we can make these changes. First you select and then do and redo it if you want to change it. Anyways, finally I have made it bold. Now I want to make it italics. Already the word computer is selected. So under home tab in font group, directly I can go to this italics. When I am taking this arrow over there on the I, see another dialog box appear in which it is written italics and Ctrl+I, the shortcut key, is also given in bracket. So click on it. See, the word computer appears slanted, slightly tilted. That means it is now italics. So in this way we can highlight the words in our document. I am applying these changes on a single word computer, but you all can do wherever required in a full document. Okay, let me show underline. The word computer is already selected. Go to underline. See, when I am taking the arrow, again in the dialog box it is written underline and in the bracket Ctrl+U. If I click, the underline option is coming. Now if I want to put some other type of underline, then just beside U, another drop down small black color arrow is given. You click on it. So many underline options are coming. Some on dotted, some broken lines, double underline. So many options are coming. If you want, you can put any underline of your choice and see the change. See, I have given the broken line and it comes like this. You can also apply these changes by using the shortcut keys. Earlier in the previous class, while teaching you cut, copy and paste, I have shown you how to press the shortcut keys together. So you have to press those things together. Now from the keyboard I will show you how to press the shortcut keys Ctrl plus B, Ctrl plus I and Ctrl plus U together from the keyboard to apply the changes by applying the shortcut keys. Like see, this is the Ctrl plus B. You have to press this together. This side of your keyboard, another control key is present. Ctrl plus U. See, this is U and this is Ctrl. If I press these two together, let me first select the word. The word is highlighted, it is selected, and now if I press Ctrl and U together, see, it will be underlined. In this way, you can make the changes by pressing the shortcut keys. That's all for today. Please read the book thoroughly and see the changes, see the illustration on your book and see the video for better understanding. Thank you for watching.